Guys, I bet I can say Filipino. In the USA, how are you? In the Philippines, kamusta ka? In the USA, ikaw, in the Philippines. Sa si baka, baka! In the USA, eyes. In the Philippines, mata. In the USA, flower. In the Philippines, bulaklak. In the USA, nose. In the Philippines, ilong. In the USA, wood. In the Philippines, kahoy. In the USA, cat. In the Philippines, pusa. Please like this video and subscribe. Share this video. Bye.